So for reference, there's the sign. I'm not going to show what's on the sign because it keeps changing. There's the sign. The coaster cannot go up until that sign comes down. That's how close the sign is to the coaster. There's the coaster. There's the sign. There's the poles for where the rest of it is supposed to go. So just for reference, so here's the sign, right? It's kissed up right next to it. At least that's what it looks like. I've tried to see if maybe they moved the sign back. I'm going to take a look in videos. You guys can go back and help with that. But here's the coaster. There's the sign. We all quit bitching about the whole jars thing now to get what I'm talking about, because this can't do anything because these poles are in the way, or this is in the way of the poles. That's what I mean. This can't finish because the sign is in the way. So